Hello, welcome back to HopeScope. I feel like a witch in this outfit. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Hope, your legging queen. Like you're too little, they can't see you. This is my co-host Leo, and we're your #1 source for all things fit fashion. But when one of our favorite activewear companies comes out with a self-care line, suddenly we're your #1 source for all things you put on your face. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video today. Stick around till the end of the video to learn more about this all-in-one website building platform. So as many of you may have heard, Lululemon came out with body stuff. It's cruelty-free, gender-neutral, scent-neutral, and supposedly the range omits any ingredients that are normally known to cause irritation or be controversial, like parabens, sulfates, gluten. I got this from Sephora.com. I believe you can also get it on the Lululemon website. Oh, and in their actual stores as well. So one of you actually messaged me and you said part of the reason this whole thing is happening is because the CEO, Kevin McDonald of Lululemon, actually worked for Sephora, which I did a little digging, and that actually is true. That was a journey to get open, but here it is. I'm gonna wear this stuff and nothing but this stuff for a full entire week. No makeup, no nothing, because I feel like it wouldn't be fair if I was just mixing it with the stuff that I normally use. Nice packaging, very clean, very simple. Dry shampoo. I'm gonna go take a shower after this because I think I'm going on day 5 or 6 of not washing my hair in a solid 2 or 3 coats of dry shampoo. So I want to clean it, give this a fair shot, and then like day 3 or 4 of this week we'll come back to this and see how it does compared to the normal dry shampoo that I use. I normally use the Batiste, that stuff, because they have a Burnett dry shampoo. Normally most dry shampoos like leave this white film all over my hair and it makes my roots look really ashy. If you're a Burnett, you know what I'm talking about. So this claims to be no show. It comes in Argan Lotus scent. Oh, that smells amazing actually. But it is like a gender neutral smell, so I feel like guys and girls could use this. It just smells very clean. Ingredients: butane, propane, tapioca starch, rice starch. I'm gonna stop here because I don't know what any of this other stuff means. It comes in 2 sizes. I got the mini, which is 2.4 ounces, and it was $18. You can also get the full size one for $34. Next, the basic balm. $14 lip balm. I can honestly say I don't think I've ever spent that much on a lip balm. Comes in this little case. Oh my gosh. That's cute. It has a little logo, even though I'm just gonna throw this part away, but it's $14 for that tiny thing. This just comes in one size. 1.3 ounces. Moisturizer. Sweat resistant moisturizer. Also that nice fancy packaging. Oh, that's nice. Oh my gosh, I wish all of my pumpy things had one of these. Once again, this is the mini. I paid $28 for it. It's 0.9 ounces, or you can buy the full size for $48. So you're supposed to use it obviously after cleansing, morning and night, and after your workout. I don't know about you, but I've never in my life thought to put on moisturizer after my workout. It's supposed to like help reduce redness and stuff, but maybe I'll try it for kicks and giggles. And last but not least, the deodorant. They all have this little like rubbery thing that goes on the bottom. I don't really know what the purpose of that is. So this is a spray deodorant. This is the first time I've ever tried a spray deodorant. Also in the aloe lotus smell. This is the mini. It was $12 for 2.4 ounces, or you can get the full thing for $18. It also comes in a black pepper sandalwood scent. So I'm gonna go shower and then we'll test these little guys out. And we're back. Showered. Well, let's start with the deodorant. You won't try it? Oh, hold 6 to 8 inches away. Spray until covered. Yeah. Oh, jeez. I don't know if I like this spray thing. We'll see how that does. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. See, like I said, I'm gonna wait for the dry shampoo. We'll get this like 3 or 4 days. That's usually about how long it takes to get greased up. Facial moisturizer, let's do that next. Okay, so my face, I typically have very dry skin. Oh, I should mention, I am gonna be using my cleanser because A, Lululemon didn't come out with a cleanser, which is kind of weird. That seems like it would just kind of complete this little set. And this stuff has changed my whole life. It's significantly less dry. I hardly ever break out, so ugh, it's on it. I can't really go without this. So other than this, we're only using Lululemon stuff. My skin is naturally a little on the dry side. It's getting better though. And I don't really have any current breakouts, but I do have some like the remnants of a breakout. So we'll see what this week of no makeup and Lululemon only does for that. It smells a little weird. Unscented is good though, we like that. Feels pretty nice. I like moisturizers that are a little bit on the thicker side, which this is. All right, my lips are so dry. I can't wait. I can't wait for this balm. I'll just be using this throughout the day. No other lip products. Whoa. And we'll see how it compares because my current favorite lip balm. Lay, where to go? Sorry, I feel really unprepared for this video. That's why I'm not a beauty guru. Is this Sun Bum stuff? It's amazing. Is there SPF in this? Is there SPF in the moisturizer? I don't think there is. I don't like that. Anywhoosies. Ooh, it has like a jelly top. Oh, it's thick. Almost like a Vaseline-y texture, but more creamy. So this has like shea butter, coconut oil. It has like a slight scent to it, but I think it's just the coconut and shea. Man, this is gonna save me so much time getting ready this week. Maybe I'll never wear makeup again. Probably not. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, my question is if I already have my outfit on and I spray this, is it gonna get white all over? Whoa, it doesn't. Life hack, no more. Okay, so that's the downside. The upside is no deodorant marks. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, now is a great time to see if this gets rid of my redness, right? All right, got the moisturizer. Oh, this is weird. Moisturizer over sweat. Oh gosh. It is very cooling though. It's still pretty red. Less red? We'll give it a sec. All right, that was about 2 minutes. I don't know that it really did anything significant. And I don't really know what the point is because I'm just gonna go home and shower and put it back on anyway. There's your little experiment for the day. And the rest of this video is gonna be filmed in New York. This is gonna be weird. I'm not gonna wear makeup the whole time I'm in New York, solely for the sake of this video. It'll be fine. We're on day 3 for hair and it's hanging in there pretty okay. I'm thinking tomorrow we're gonna need the dry shampoo. This is pretty much all I'm bringing as far as like toiletries. Shoot, do you think that these are gonna go through security? 2.4 ounces. I feel like the limit's like 3, right? Got all my face stuff on, touched up my hair, and I'm thinking it's time to try the dry shampoo. It's getting just a little bit greasy up here, and I feel like with the humidity here, it could be bad by the end of the day. It's supposed to balance my scalp. What does that mean? All right, no show shampoo. Let's see what you got. You can't see it. Right off the bat, I feel like it's not as powerful as some of the other dry shampoos I have, but it also isn't powdery. And it smells amazing. Also, let's talk about the deodorant for a minute. I'm not convinced that the spray deodorant, at least this one, is more powerful than like a regular stick deodorant, because after a night on a plane, I smelled bad after I got here. So I don't think it's ideal for a long period of time, but it's absolutely amazing for like right before a workout, especially because it doesn't leave white streaks. That's my review so far. We're about halfway there. Welcome to Times Square. I'm gonna go to Sephora real quick and see if they have a little mini of my face wash and also some of the Lululemon stuff. He's stoked. This but a little guy. There it is. Yes, Lululemon skincare is only online. Alright. right, last day of our Lululemon self-care experiment. Final thoughts as I put on this stuff. Deodorant. Smells amazing. Works pretty okay. There's that part of it too. Pros, it doesn't leave white streaks. It dries really fast. Smells amazing. Cons, it doesn't last all day. So it's a good little like quick fix for right before the gym, but I have found that walking around New York all day, I stink after a couple hours. The moisturizer. It looks pretty good actually. Like some of these little red spots are healing. I haven't broken out. Frequently, when I just randomly switch up my routine, I break out. I really like the gel consistency of this stuff. It does have a slightly weird smell to it. Almost like fish and lemon. Would I buy this again? Probably not, just because I love the moisturizer that I have so much, honestly. But I would recommend it. Chapstick. I'll definitely be using this again. Works really, really well. It's very long lasting and hydrating. It just has a very natural, sweet smell. And then the dry shampoo. This is very different than the dry shampoo I'm used to. Pros, it really is no show. It doesn't leave like a film on your hair at all. It smells really nice. Cons, it's not super powerful. So you can use it like day 3 and 4 when you just want to like hold off the grease. But if you're full on grease ball after several days, it's probably not going to do much for you. And I feel like you have to use quite a bit of it to get a result. Would I recommend it? Kinda. I think it's kind of overpriced. Overall, I'm pretty freaking impressed for like their first shot at a skin line. Not bad. I'm excited to see if they come out with some other stuff. And Leo and I, he's back home with his grandma right now, but we'll see you in the next video. Bye, YouTube. Whoa, whoa! Leo does the outro better. Earlier, this video is sponsored by Squarespace. Craft a beautiful website from one of the many template designs, and then easily sort, organize, and manage your products with the drag and drop sorting tool, tags and categories, and visibility and scheduling settings. They also offer an awesome simultaneous posting feature. Squarespace can authenticate with your social profiles, letting you auto-post your content to Twitter, Facebook, or Tumblr. Head to Squarespace for your free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/hope and use my coupon code HOPE to save 10% off of your purchase.